I'm Robert Johnson. I'm the Fleet Maintenance and Safety Manager for Kayak Public Transit, which is operated by the Confederated Tribes of the Umatilla Indian Reservation. Our primary goal is to take care of cutaway transit buses. We found the Fleetio software has really become a very integral and important tool in what we do. I was involved in procuring this software from the very beginning. We had a little bit of an issue early on with our technology department. Every time that I thought I'd found a software, they find a reason why they didn't think it would work or is not compatible with our network. The IT manager, he says, this looks like it might be a good program for us to check out. The thing that was cool about Fleetio is they offered us a free trial to road test it. I was very pleased with it, and I said, yeah, let's do this. I think this will work well. Fleetio has forced us to learn accuracy, because if there's a mistake made in a fuel entry, a number gets transposed on the mileage or something, everything is all interconnected. Okay, so now they understand how important it is to be very cautious about inputting information. This is a really great story, and I share this whenever I can. Previous to a federal audit, and you go down this checklist of all the things they wanted to see, and they said, oh, you got some things you're going to show us on your laptop. Data, information. Those guys just were amazed, and they were blown away. They said, this is exactly what we're looking for. Everything that we want to see is here. And one of the senior auditors, who is pretty well known around the country as being tough and that sort of thing, he said, I really like this application. This is one of the best ones I've seen. Can you give me the name of that vendor and how I can contact them? And I just said, yeah, at Fleetio.com, and you can find out everything you want to know.